Hello! In this video I will show you how to draw elliptical easements. The radius of this arc is 15 inches and this arc goes to this straight line. Let's draw easement within this 30 degrees angle. To do this, I will use this elliptical template. I should place this template tangent to this arc and tangent to one of these three lines, like this. And now I can draw elliptical easement from this arc to this straight line. But first I will show you how to draw ellipses so you can make elliptical template. Okay, now I should insert these needles in these points. I'm starting to draw ellipse from this point. These rings are necessary to lift up the rope and prevent the pencil from jumping over the rope. If you need more squeezed ellipse, you should increase the distance between the needles. Okay, to make a template, for making template you only need 1/4 of the ellipse. And as a starting point, you can use value RP is half of radius of your curve. The RP should be half of radius of your curve, and value C should be 3 times larger than RP. But of course this is only starting point. Okay, once we make elliptical template, we can draw Easement center lines. To simplify this, I use this another template as a helper. This is 15 inches curve. I put it like this, and to make it easier to place elliptical template tangent to the arc, but since I have drawn RP a half of radius of my arc, then in the beginning of the ellipse the curve is smaller than 15 inches. Well, as you can see, the beginning at the beginning of the ellipse, the radius is smaller than 15 inches. So you can't use this the beginning of the ellipse for drawing easements. Anyway, let's start. I place helper template to the curve, and now I place elliptical template tangent to this curve and tangent to straight line. Now let's draw easement to another line. To do this, I use another section of ellipse with larger radius. And at last, let's draw easement to this line. As you can see, you can use one template to draw easement to different lines. You can decide how much space you can sacrifice for easements and to draw as wide easements as you want. Now I will show you how to draw center lines of easements for two parallel tracks. To do this, you should draw equidistant ellipse to that ellipse that we have already drawn. Delta R is the distance between parallel tracks, and we need another ellipse parallel to this ellipse. To draw it, we should place the needles in another points. These 2 points I used to draw the first ellipse, and we should define another where we should insert needles to draw another ellipse, which will be parallel to the first ellipse. To do this, this is value b to the distance from the center to first ellipse, and b1 should be b plus delta r. And the same, this is distance a, and distance a1 will be a plus delta r. And now we put values a1 and b1 in this equation, and we get value c1. It is where we should place needles to draw another ellipse. Again, I use this to rinse, to lift up the rope, and to prevent the pencil to jump over the rope. And as you can see, we get two parallel ellipses, and again you need only 1/4 of it. This is, and now we can draw easements for two parallel tracks using this side of template for inside track and outside outside of the ellipse for larger for track with larger radius. Okay, now let's draw two parallel curves. Again, I use this piece of metal to not let the pencil to jump over the rope. I will draw 18 inches curve from this dotted line and 15 inches curve to this dotted line from this center. Okay, now let's use elliptical template to draw easements to these two curves. Again, I'm going to draw easement within this 30 degrees angle. Let's place the template, and I'm going to draw this easement to this to this straight line, and this easement to this straight line. So, this is how to draw easements for two parallel tracks. In the next video, I will show you how to curve flex track along elliptical curves. Since it is not possible to use templates to curve flex track to ellipses, I invented a new method how to do this. And this method is suitable for beginners. In the next video, I will show you how to curve flex track to elliptical shape. I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.